Warehouse In-Out Tracking Google Sheet. Simplify inventory management. Our Warehouse In-Out Tracking Google Sheet allows for multi-user access with intuitive forms, instant reports. This Google Sheets template integrates intuitive forms and multi-user access, simplifying warehouse record keeping for your entire team. Forget manual spreadsheets and make the leap to a collaborative, cloud-based system that simplifies record keeping and provides full visibility of your stock, template, structure, and modules. 1. Configuration. Easily set up the names of your collaborators and define product categories, e.g., raw material, finished product, tools, adapting the spreadsheet to the specific needs of your warehouse or business. 2. Product registration. Maintaining an updated and organized catalog is crucial. Here, you will record all fundamental information: product, brand, description, initial quantity, status, and category. The most notable feature is the included automated form, which transforms the tedious data entry process into a simple and accurate task. This professional system ensures that every product is correctly coded from the start, guaranteeing inventory integrity. 3. In-movement registration inbound. Ensure the traceability of every item that enters your warehouse. This module allows you to record data such as date, product, reason for entry, name of responsible personnel, notes, quantity, and category. The dynamic form not only speeds up the registration process, but also minimizes errors, ensuring that the inbound information is correct and ready for stock calculation. 4. Out-movement registration, outbound. This module mirrors the previous one, recording date, product, reason for exit, name of personnel, notes, quantity, and category. The form makes it easy for multiple users to register their outbound movements consistently. Correct registration of outbound movements is vital for the success and accuracy of the final stock. 5. Movement report and analysis. Make smart, data-driven decisions. The report section centralizes all the information in the Google Sheets template. Immediately check the movement history, the current stock status, inventory, and view monthly summaries with an intuitive chart. This analysis module provides you with a clear and concise vision of your warehouse's performance and helps you identify trends quickly. Stop improvising and migrate to a professional-level inventory control system. Acquire the Google Sheets In-Out Control template today and transform your warehouse management.